This is what I said. Punch in the belly. Oops, I'm sorry. Don't call the doctor. Don't call the mommy feast.
The record is broken.
They're freezing. The first one, they freeze. The first one that moves is out. Oh my gosh, she'll stay like that forever. Riley's got a bug crawl on her face.
Oh, you won. Good job.
Wow, Riley.
I went to a Chinese restaurant to buy a local river by the waiter asked me what I wanted. I said, second person belly. Sorry, don't call me feast.